Wise Agent's integration with Open Houses Direct makes it incredibly easy for open house leads to be automatically added into your Wise Agent account so you can take the necessary steps to convert them into buyers. Let's take a look at Wise Agent's integration with Open Houses Direct. Once you have signed into your Open Houses Direct account, go to your account profile. From the account profile, click the Connect with Wise Agent button. From here, you will need to log into your Wise Agent account and retrieve your API key. From the home page, you will click the Integrations dropdown and select Settings. From there, you will select the API keys and lead email dropdown. And now you'll copy your API key. Now it's time to connect your key to your Open Houses Direct account. Back on the Open Houses Direct webpage, you will paste in your API key and click Connect. Once you click Connect, you should get a notification that says you have successfully connected your API key. Now let's go over to our listings and see how contacts are imported into Wise Agent from Open Houses Direct. From our listings page, we see every property that we currently have in our account. Let's add an event to this listing. From here, you'll set the date, the event type. For this one, I'm going to make it an open house. Select your start time, end time, add a description, and then you'll select who you will be assigning the event to. Once you're done with that, click Submit. Now that you have successfully added your event, you are good to go until the time of. At the time of the event, you will click the Guest Book column. With Open Houses Direct, you have the ability to turn any device into a guest book for your open house. When you're ready to start your open house, click Run Event. Here, you will see an entire overview for your open house, including info about the house, check-ins, guest list, and more. Click Guest Book Mode to turn your device into the guest check-in book. From here, have your guests check in on this device and fill out all the information on the landing page. I'll pretend to be a guest at the open house and fill out all this information here. Now that I've filled out the information, it will ask me to verify my phone number. This will confirm that the guest is giving you their correct information so you can communicate with them after the open house. And back on the open house overview page, it will show that I have checked into the open house. Now, we can go to the My Leads page, where we will see that I have successfully been added as a lead. From here, you can add notes to this lead and even message them. I'll add in a note that our lead loves dogs. Now we can toggle back to our Wise Agent account, click the Contacts dropdown and select Contact List. The first name you will see is the lead from our open house. This means you have successfully integrated Wise Agent into your Open Houses Direct account. And if you click on the contact and scroll down to Notes, you'll see that the notes taken in your Open Houses Direct account transfer over to. If you have any questions, we are standing by 24/7. Give us a call at 480-836-0345 or email us at help@wiseagent.com. Thanks for watching.